today's video, I'm going to be listing for you companies that will give you loan in Nigeria without a collateral. All you have to do is to download this app on your Android phone. Yes, it's basically on Android phone. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Susan. On my channel, I create content about money, like everything about money, both online and offline. If you're new on this channel, please go ahead and subscribe. Like, hit that subscribe button down there and like this video because it's important for me. Anyway guys, if you are interested in this kind of content, please stick around and watch this video to the end. So the first on my list is Quick Credit. This company will only give you loan for up to 100,000 naira, and their loan tenure is up to 90 days, as you can see here, up to 90 days, which is fair for that amount. And then again, if you're a small business owner and you want to pay your rent, last minute stuff, you can totally take this loan. And all you have to do is apply for the loan, then you get your funds in 5 minutes, as you can see here. And when you scroll down, you will see some of their frequently asked questions, and you can go through them, and then you just go through them and read, how do I apply? They will tell you you can apply via our website. Click on sign in. If you already have an account, click on register. If you have a new customer, blah 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 blah. So all of these things, you have to read them and understand. If you still do not have, like, if you still do not know what they are talking about, you still have questions, you can totally call them. They have a landline, they have a mobile line, they have an office in Victoria Island where you can go and meet somebody and talk to them. They also have their social media accounts right here. You can follow them up and then just find a way to communicate in case you have a question. And when you have done, and like when you are okay with everything, you can register and then download the app and apply for the loan. So next on my list is OCash. So OCash is pretty straightforward. Their loan, you can apply and take loan up to 50,000 naira. So if you're a small business owner, you are looking for money, like little money to add to your rent, this loan app is for you. And one thing you have to note, guys, if you don't have enough money to pay back, don't collect loan that will give you high BP. Take something you can pay back. So this one, if you're a small business owner, you just need to expand your business and you know that you're making enough money to pay back, you can take this loan. So they have the fast loan approval in minutes. It's not even in hours, or it's a minute. Or then, so when you go to Google Play Store, you download the app and you apply for the loan. So this is really straightforward. And one thing about them is you can easily cancel the loan. If you feel like you don't want to do it again, you can cancel the loan within 24 hours. If you pass 24 hours, I don't know for you, but make sure you cancel the loan if you don't want it to within 24 hours. That's it. So download, all you have to do is to download the app, apply for the loan, receive your loan, and repay your loan in a timely manner, because credit score is very important for those that like to borrow. Credit score is very important. Then when you go over here, you see there are frequently asked questions, just in case you have more questions, like you need to know more about this thing. When it comes to borrowing money, please make your research. Don't just go and borrow money from a company that will give you high interest rates, or they will owe your neck, or you give you like terms and conditions that you know that you cannot meet up with. So make sure you find out, like, borrow only what you can pay. Like you can see, borrow only what you can repay. If your money, if you're not earning enough salary, don't go and borrow something that will give you IBP before you borrow money. So these are things you will have to read and understand before you borrow any money. I know there are some people that don't know, that do not like to read. Please read. When it comes to money, read. So the next on my list, guys, is Fair Money. Fair Money will give you loans for as low as 1,500 naira to as high as 3 million naira. So if you're a high income earner, you earn a lot of money, you can borrow 3 million naira. It will not even take anything from you. And this company, you have 24 months to pay back, which is very good. Yes, as you can see, access personal loan up to 3 million naira. Enjoy loan top up. That's if you have collected, let's say you collected 3 million naira loan and you still want more loans, you can still apply. As you're paying for that 3 million naira loan, you can still apply for another one as that one is ongoing.
apply for loan extension. Let's say the 24 months is not good enough for you. Let's say there's an emergency or something, you can always apply for a an extension of the loan, maybe 3 months, 2 months. Let's say that's it. So they have a competitive interest rate. So fair money is really like it's pretty fair to me. They have fast and easy process, competitive interest rate, no collateral required, which is something that most companies are indulging in because who know like better thing, longer loan tenure. So you can enjoy low tenure up to 24 months, like repayment. So the eligibility, this is where most people have questions to ask. You must have the app on your smartphone. It's an Android phone. You must have the app on your smartphone. That is one of the eligibility to be able to be eligible for the loan, and you must be above 18. You must be a citizen of Nigeria. You must have a bank verification number. Some people find this thing very, very hard to think. When you want to apply for a loan, you must provide your bank verification number. You must have an employment, or you must be a salary earner, you must be self-employed, and or a student. So you must provide any of this information. And monthly income, you must have a monthly income of 1,000 naira. So at least 1,000 naira should be entering your account every month. Last but not the least, you must have a good credit history. In case you don't know about credit history, you will learn when it comes to taking up loan, like collecting loan, you will learn about your credit history. So you have to have a good credit score. For those that have been collecting loan without paying, this is where your credit history will come and speak for you. If you have a loan that you have not paid, go and pay it too, because I don't know. So all you have to do is to download the app. Download the app. These are the steps. Download the app, sign up and log, or you log in. If you are a customer, you can log in. Then you complete the registration or for the process, you pick the loan offer you want and you're done. So that's it about fair money. Next on my list is Jumia one. So this one, Jumia Pay, this one is like is not for only people that have accounts with Jumia. It's not for people that sell for with Jumia. It's not. It's like it's an everybody thing. I'm sure some people will think, oh, since it's Jumia, it's only people that sell with Jumia. It's only no. It's for everybody, and you can borrow as high as 500,000 naira straight from your phone. And this app is only available on Android phone. It's not on Apple. It's not on iPhone, is on Android phone. And this is how you can apply for this loan. These are the steps you must do in case you cannot navigate the app. This is what this is, and these are the steps. They have showed you the steps already. And why you should take up loan on Jumia, it is easy to apply, no long-term forms to fill. It takes a few minutes to get the loan in your bank account. No collateral is required. Low interest rates, repayment is very easy. Bigger loans, lower rates. So the more money you get, the more money you borrow, the lesser your interest rate. So that's what they mean by bigger money, like lower rates.
So now that you have seen these companies, I'm going to be listing some general requirements that they will, like some things that they will require from you in order to grant you this loan. Number one, your legal age. Some of these companies will require you to submit your birth certificate because they want to know your real age. In Nigeria, I'm sure some people have like different birth certificates. You will see one 40 years old man claiming 20. Is a custom in Nigeria. So that's the reason why most of these companies they will request for your legal age as your birth certificate. Then don't be surprised when you see them asking for your BVN because that's one of the major requirements. It is even very, very recommended because some people, even your family and friends, can go and use your name to collect loan without even you knowing. There are some people that their names are they've used their names like in the past to collect loan and they don't know until they go to their bank to request for their credit score. They will now see that they are owing loan of how much, something that they did not spend. So that's the reason why most of these banks are requesting for your BVN. So some people will not go ahead and use your name to collect loan. So in case you see that, don't panic, submit your BVN. Then the next on my list is utility bill. So most of us, we live in rented apartments, which is not a bad thing. All you have to do is to, if you use a prepaid meter, I think there is a way you can download your utility bill from the app where you pay or you buy the bill. If you don't know, there are ways, there are many YouTube channels talking about, I'll be showing people how to do that. So if you live in an apartment when you guys are all paying one bill together, that is not a problem. You can ask them to give you the utility bill for that month. It's not a problem as long as the address and the address you have put is corresponding. Okay, then you have to prove your provide your proof of identity, your international passport, voters card, NIN card, everything that is an identity in Nigeria that is recommended, like is recognized as a means of identification in Nigeria, is what you will need. The last but not the least is proof of income. So if you're a salary earner, you need to submit your pay stub, your employment letter. But if you are not a salary earner, let's say you're a business owner, you need to submit your CAC certificate, your tax identification number, all those things. You need to get them handy. And in case, guys, if you see you're seeing all of these things, don't panic. You don't need to be rushing to a cafe to go and scan documents. Download app on your phone. Like, go to Google Play Store. If you are using an iPhone, go to Apple Store and download scanner apps. Scan all these documents, keep it in your Google Drive. Then when you need them, you just bring them out. That's it. So that's it for the general requirements. So now the things you have to do to qualify for this loan, this is it. So if you're a student, you're self-employed, or you are a salary earner, you need to prove that you are one of these categories. If you're a student, you need to show your admission letter, your transcript, your current transcript, your everything that will show that or prove that you are a student. If you are a business owner, you need to provide your CAC form. Or if you're a salary earner, you need to provide your pay stub, all those things, like I said previously. Then again, if you have a bad credit score, you need to work on it. Pay your loan. If you don't even know your credit score, go to the bank and request for it. Or no, you don't even need to go to the bank. There are many credits, CRC, I don't know if I'll find it and put it here. They will help you check for your credit score, and you will see your credit history. If you are a borrower and you do not pay your loan, this is where the truth will come out. You cannot take loan from any of these companies without them requesting for your credit history, because I've seen a lot of people who take loan, they don't pay back. They will call them, they will send them message, they will not pay back. Loan that they are supposed to pay in a year will take them 3 years to pay. This is the reason why most of these companies are requesting for your credit score before they will grant you the loan, because they don't want to hear the story that touches, you get. So the next is your proof of address. In case you don't know, you can get your proof of address from your bank statement. And if your bank statement is not carrying your current address, you can go ahead to your bank and update it. You need your proof of identification and a utility bill to update it. So this is not something major. They will do it for you. Some banks, they don't. When you print your bank statement, your address will not show on it. You need to specifically tell them to allow your address to show on it, because you need the address for your proof of your address. That's for those that live in a rented apartment. Anyway, guys, this is the end of this video. I believe I've covered everything in this video. This is the end of this video, and if you have watched this point, thank you guys. Please subscribe to this channel and don't forget to like this video. Bye.